Douglas from Memorial has a question about termite damage.
He found it behind a baseboard in his living room. Mm-hmm. Douglas writes, I noticed water dripping in the same area inside the wall, and turns out the AC drain line was sweating and dripping down onto the bottom plate. The drain terminates to the sink drain line, as it should, right?
Yes,
okay.
The P-trap.
So Tom Douglas wants to know, what can he do about this condensation buildup in his walls that's causing this problem?
Well, this is an install problem, and it's as simple as getting to the pipe and putting a good, tight insulation around the pipe. That keeps it from sweating. Just like a koozie on a can outside, it keeps the can from sweating, keeps the cool on the inside, the hot on the outside.
Whether it's beer or soda, it doesn't matter.
I'm not going to go there. But anyway, it just needs to be insulated, and apparently they didn't insulate it properly. And it can't be loose. It's got to be good and tight on that pipe. And you want good quality insulation because it gets so cold in that wall, and then you have that hot, humid air in there. It's going to sweat like crazy.
I'm surprised they don't make that drain line with the insulation on it.
Well, you don't have to do that. It's just someone didn't put it on.
Oh.
It's an install problem. They should know better. You have to insulate those cold pipes.
We talk about installation day is the most important day of your life, and that of your system's life, and that's why right there.
It is. It truly is. And look, now you got this huge mess in there with the termites and the damage, and so you're going to have to rip the sheetrock out, insulate that pipe really well, make sure you don't leave any gaps, because even a little one, it'll keep dripping, so be careful.
Or you can learn to like termites. No, fix it.
Yes, fix it.
Okay. And we'll fix your problem, too. You got one? Send it to us. Questions, answers. We'll give you answers at HomeShowRadio.com. Check out our other videos here, and please subscribe to our channel. Thanks.